Good morning students. Welcome to the 10th standard. I am your Tambe Miss. Today we have to start the Maths 1 teaching. In that first unit, linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. In that we know the what is meant by linear equation. An equation in two variable with the degree of the variables 1 is called a linear equation in two variables. Means the equation contains two variables, means x and y, or a to z, any letter contains, and they having the degree 1. General formula: ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 when in that a, b, c are the real numbers. A, b, c are real numbers where a and b is not equal to 0 at the same time. At the same time, in that equation a and b are not equal to 0, then it is called as the linear equation. For example, 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. In that x and y are the two variables having the degree 1. First method of solving the linear equation: simultaneous linear equation. In that example, first 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 and a plus 5b is equal to 22. We have to solve this equation. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Say the equation number 1. And a plus 5b is equal to 22. It is the equation number 2. In that variable a and b, of that variable b variable having the coefficient equal. Therefore, for solving means we can calculate the value of a and b. We add equation, we subtract equation 1 and 2. Here 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 minus a plus 5b is equal to 22. For the subtraction, there will be sign changes. Plus a gives minus a, 5b minus 5b and minus 22. Then we have to solve this. 3a minus a is equal to 2a plus 5b minus 5b get cancelled. Then we get 26 minus 22 is equal to 4. Therefore, a is equal to 4 upon 2. Then we get the answer: a is equal to 2. Then for calculating the value of b, put the value of a in equation number 2. Put value of a in equation 2. Then first write on the equation number 2. For a plus 5b is equal to 22. 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. Therefore, 5b is equal to 22 minus 2. Then 5b b is equal to 20 upon 5. Then we get the value of b is equal to 5 4 the 20. b is equal to 4. Then we get the solution of this equation, means we find the value of a and b, and it is write down in this form: solution is equal to, in curly bracket, x, y, and then put the value 2 and 4. Next example: 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 and 2x plus y is equal to 13. In that same method we have to write 2x minus 3y is equal to 9, say first equation, and 2x plus y is equal to 13. Say it is the second equation. In that equation, coefficient of both this equation x are same. Therefore, here also we subtract the equation 1 and 2. Then write out. Subtract equation 1 and 2. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 2x plus y is equal to 13. If coefficient are not equal, then first make it equal and then subtract or add. Here sign changes, minus minus minus. 2x plus 2x minus 2x 0. Minus 3y minus y, it is minus 4y is equal to plus 9 minus 13. How many? Minus 4. Therefore y is equal to minus 4 upon 4. Minus y is equal to minus 4 upon 4. Therefore y is equal to 1. Here we get the value of the y. Then from this we calculate the value of x by putting this value in equation 1 and 2. Any equation we put the value. Put y is equal to 1 in equation first. Then 2x minus 3 into bracket 1 is equal to 9. Therefore 2x minus 3 is equal to 9. Then 2x is equal to minus 3. Here get plus 3. 9 plus 3. Therefore 2x is equal to 12. Then x is equal to 12 upon 2. Then we get value of x is equal to 6. We get here x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 1. Then write down the solution in curly bracket x, y, 6 and 1. Next third example, 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. And second equation, 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. Here 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. Say the equation number 1. And 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. Say equation number 2. From these two equations they give the denominator. We first remove the denominator and then solve the equation. So by removing the denominator, first for the equation first we multiply by 3. 3 multiply 1 upon 3x plus 3y is equal to 10 upon 3 multiply 3. Here 3 get cancelled. Then we get x plus 3y is equal to 10. This is the equation number 3. Here also for the equation number second multiply by 4. Then 4 multiply 2x plus 4 multiply 1 upon 4y is equal to 4 multiply 11 upon 4. 4 to the 8x plus 4 get cancelled. Then we get y only. Here also 4 get cancelled. Then remaining 11. It is the equation number 4. Then see the equation number 3 and 4. In that coefficient of x and y are not same. So first make it same and then add or subtract. Here for making the coefficient equal we multiply to the equation number 3 by 8. Equation 3 multiply by 8. Then we get 8x plus 24y is equal to 80. Then we add or subtract. Here we subtract the equation 5 and 4. Equation number 5 we get 8x plus 24y is equal to 80 minus 8x plus y is equal to 11. For the subtraction, first change the sign. Here plus 8x minus 8x we get 0. 24y minus 1y is equal to 23 y. Then 80 minus 11 is equal to 69. Then y is equal to 69 upon 23. You know 23, 3 is a 69. Therefore, y is equal to 3. We get the value y is equal to 3. Then for calculating the value of x, put this y is equal to 3 in equation number 3. Put y is equal to 3 in equation 3. Equation 3, x plus 3y is equal to 10. Therefore, x plus 3 multiply 3 is equal to 10. Therefore, x plus 9 is equal to 10. Then 10 minus x is equal to 10 minus 9. Then x is equal to 1. Here we get the value of x, means we find out the solution, means x and y values. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. Then next example, 99x plus 101y is equal to 499, and then 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Here first equation 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Say the equation number 1. And 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Say equation number 2. Here coefficient of x in first equation having the coefficient of y in second equation, and coefficient of y in first equation having the coefficient of x in the second equation. So in that type equation solving, we have to solve first, add this equation and then subtract. Add equation 1 and 2. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499 plus 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Carry out addition. Then we get 200x plus 200y is equal to 1000. 200x plus 200y is equal to 1000. For the simplification, here we divide by 200. Then we get x plus y is equal to 200x upon 200. Then 200y upon 200, 1000 upon 200. Then to simplify, x plus y is equal to 2 5s are 10. We get the equation number 3. Then in this type we also subtract equation 1 and 2. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499 minus 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. In subtraction we get 101 minus, here also change the sign first, then carry out subtraction. Here 2x plus 2y is equal to 2 is equal to 2. Then divide by 2 here also. Then write down directly x plus y is equal to 1. It is the equation number 4. Then equation 3 and 4. X and y both coefficient are same. Here we subtract this equation.
Start.
Here 101x minus 101x and plus 99x, then we get minus 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 501. Therefore we get answer minus 2. Then we can write the equation minus 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 2. Then for this equation we divide by 2. Then we get minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. It is the equation number 4. Then in equation 3 and 4, x coefficient having different sign. Then here we add equation 3 and 4. Here x plus y is equal to 5. It is the equation number 3, and minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. Add these two equations, then we get x get cancelled, y plus y is equal to 2y is equal to 4. Then we get the value of y is equal to 4 upon 2. Then y is equal to 2. We get here value of y. Then by putting the value of y in equation number 3, we find out the value of x. Put y is equal to 2 in equation 3. X plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, x plus 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5 minus 2. Then we get value of x is equal to 3. Then write down solution. Xy is equal to 3 and 2.